Once upon a time, many believed that self-improvement was a daunting journey, a complicated maze to navigate. But what if we flipped that idea on its head? Picture this. Just 3 simple adjustments could completely transform your life. No elaborate rituals, no overwhelming game plans. Let's unravel the magic behind it. Imagine, for a moment, the F-minute rule. It's simple, yet powerful. Whenever you find yourself stuck, just make a promise to yourself. I'll do it for 5 minutes. That's all it takes. Once you take that initial step, you might just find that momentum sweeps you off your feet. This rule applies to everything from workouts to that daunting assignment you've been dodging. Next up is the 1-page rule. What if you decided to read just 1 page of a captivating book each day? It may sound deceptively easy, but over time, those single pages accumulate into chapters, and eventually, full books filled with knowledge. This knowledge can reshape how you perceive the world around you. Lastly, there's the reflection rule. Each evening, before you bid the day farewell, pause for a moment. Ask yourself, what's one thing I did well today, and what's one thing I can improve on? These small daily reflections can lead to remarkable transformations when practiced regularly. So there you have it, just 5 minutes of action, 1 page of insight, and a moment of reflection. Embrace this for 30 days and witness the remarkable changes unfold in your life. Join me on this journey of growth. Together,